Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about harvest grain augers. So behind me is a mechanical swing grain auger. Basically what we want you to check before you get really going with harvest is make sure that you check your gearbox oil levels. We still seem to run into where guys have a seal go out of a gearbox and the bearings pile up and then you're stuck with trucks waiting, combines have to stop. So check those gearbox levels at the front of the auger on any of your XL augers. Make sure you check that main bearing. That bearing has a tendency to go out. Often a good idea to just change it out before you really get going with harvest, and also change the chain, because if that chain is getting any amount of wear and any amount of slop, it just prematurely wears out the sprockets, and then again you have downtime that's not needed. On any of your HP augers with that big gearbox, have a look and make sure that you don't have seals leaking. If you do have seals leaking, check that oil level and check it every day if you've got something leaking, because that gearbox is getting to be really expensive to replace, and even just to rebuild it takes quite a bit of work and quite a bit of expense. So make sure you check that oil level. And then last thing, check your hopper. All of those U-joints need grease every day, and a lot of the spots have greasable bearings in there. You should give them 1 or 2 shots of grease every day. Don't put your electric gun on there and put it on 10 and pump it till it comes out of the seal, because you're just going to cause more damage. 1 or 2 shots of grease in those bearings. Make sure you grease them every day if you're doing a lot of loads, and hopefully you have a nice safe harvest. Thanks for watching.